Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
The unusual suspects line up, but which one committed this week's deadly deed? Yes, it was the spine-chilling chainsaw. Guilty as charged. Time for some more Crash Test Telly and its shopping channel Crash Test Style. What's going to get trashed by power tools today?
Welcome back to Crash Test Shopping. Today, I feel very much in a novelty gift kind of mood, and the gifts in front of me surely are a lot of fun. Come closer. This might be a good gift for a sick relative, perhaps a child who's lost his dog, or an orphan.
Hang on a minute. I thought I could smell somebody having a lot of fun with themselves in the studio this afternoon.
Yeah?
What are these funky little critters? They look like a lot of fun.
They really are a lot of fun. There we go, look. Look how much fun that is. Brilliant. Seriously, Steve, I've heard these are as tough as wood.
Well, there's one thing I know about. It's wood and how to deal with it once you've got wood. So, why don't we take these furry little critters and pop them into this wood chipper, which we have in the studio today, brought in by Tony, Barry's fella.
Didn't expect this. Oh, look, you've chipped all the hamsters.
Yeah.
Sadly, the dancing hamster has been removed from stock today. That's the dancing hamster removed from stock today.
Telly time over, Jake. Magazine day. And what have the boys been reading about this week in the A to Z of Bubble Wrap? K for karate. It's Sunday morning in Dummy World, and in the house at Crash Test Corner, the boys are sleeping soundly, but not for long.
Yeah, I've seen it. Impressive, yeah.
Last week, Steve was up to his usual tricks, buying weird vehicles that he can soup up in his Crash Test garage.
Sweet. Got yourself a deal, mate. Sweet as.
All right. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just, surfing the net.
Oh, I see. Buying some of that special shampoo for your hairy back.
See, I'm just trying to organise a surprise for me and you.
All right. What kind of surprise?
You'll have to wait and see.
And today is delivery day. Given Steve's taste is more pram than Porsche.
He's been.
What ridiculous vehicle has he blown the housekeeping on this week?
Oh, careful, Dan. Someone's left a floater.
Yes, an old battery-powered milk float. No wonder Dan's not impressed.
Look, listen, right, just grab yourself a pinter, let's have a bit of breakfast, and then we'll see what she can do.
Semi-skimmed.
You know it.
These 2-ton slow coaches are powered by puny 24-volt batteries. Steve can barely hit 10 miles an hour. Hardly gold top, so it's going to mean some serious souping up to convince Dummy Dan that this week's milk bill was money well spent.
Hey! That'll put the milk in your udders. What do you reckon?
Steve, I would rather pour hot chocolate into my eye sockets than go on that again.
Bit harsh, wasn't it?
It's the way I feel.
All right. Well, it takes more than 1 or 2 scathing comments from you to take the cream out of my donut. I'm going to soup this thing up. You'll see.
There's no cream in donuts.
Get out of here. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Good luck.
Steve's got plans for his little lady. By the time he's done with her in his crash test garage, she's going to have a lot of bottle. But will she finally float Dan's boat as a big boy's toy? Or will she curdle at the first hurdle?
She's alive!
Yeah, whatever, Steve. It's a milk float, mate.
Hey, how we looking?
Not bad, Steve. Not bad at all.
Check her out. I've taken the gearbox out, which makes her a direct drive. I've even doubled the battery power, which means she's gone from a 48er to a 96 volter. So now she's got the stealth and the speed. Perfect for getting away from all those angry husbands, eh? You know what I'm talking about.
I'm not a milkman.
Okay. Here comes the money shot, Dan. It's this little baby, an automatic milk delivery system. Now, you don't even have to leave your wagon to deliver the milk.
But can it deliver on time?
Only one way to find out, Dan. Assault course it.
You know it makes the sense. You go over there, and I'll go over there. On your way. I'm pretty sure he's just painted it orange.
Before Steve's full-fat soup-up, his humble float could only muster a pathetic 10 miles an hour.
3, 2, 1, go!
The batteries have increased the speed to 25 miles per hour. Great for getting away from angry husbands, but not so great for the crates of milk.
Impressive, Steve. I reckon that amount of fun rivaled Band-Aid.
Thanks very much.
What's that green door doing there?
That green door, Shakin' Stevens, is so I can show you how my all-new milk delivery system works. Come with me and put your glasses on. Right, load it up, Dan.
Express delivery.
3, 2, 1. Have a bit of this!
Steve has fitted his float with a gas-propelled milk mortar. Perfect for dummy fun, but not so great for doorstep deliveries.
Don't believe it.
That is disappointing.
Oh, hard luck, Steve, mate. Put it there.
So what have they learned? It can speed, it can swerve, but it can't really deliver milk. Now it's Dummy Dan's turn to put it to the test. He's going to hook her up for the ultimate crash test. A 30-mile-per-hour head-on crash into a concrete wall.
I mean, what's the point if you don't test things to the limit? Yeah! I am loving it! You ready, Jake? Ready!
Go easy.
Now that's what I call a milkshake.
Nice. That's nice, isn't it?
Oh, what a shame it crashed.
Nice one. Cheers, mate. Look at the love shack. Knew that was going to happen.
Yeah! Stop moaning, Steve. There's no point crying over spilt milk, is there? Right, let's go for a cup of tea. Oh, hang on. We'll need milk.
Don't worry, he'll get over it. Just as soon as he's got enough money to buy the next ridiculous vehicle to give the crash test garage treatment to.
Want another one?
Crash test dummy! In town on business!